Welcome back and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I want to show you paper packs that I've been working on. I don't know if you all are collecting paper the way that I am. I think a lot of you are. And if you're just at the beginning of your journey, you might be interested in one of my paper packs. So I've got these part sheets of paper. So this is the biggest sheet that I have in this collection anyway. And it's 7 3/4 by 9 1/4. And then I've got, 5 by 8. I think this one would be 5.5 by 8.5. That's sort of the size of most of these papers. You'll see there's some variation. So this is from a paper planner from the 90s, and it's just white on the back. I've just gone through my paper collections and just sort of made up bundles of this exact assortment. Of course, some of them are going to be a little different. Some coffee dyed, some food coloring dyed paper, some map. This is a local advertising map, and then a road map from Northern Ontario, some dictionary page, some coffee dyed planner page out of a bird book, coin book pages, music paper, cocktail book paper, another dictionary page, another map. This was out of a atlas book. This is out of a travel brochure book. And then just a regular old book page, footprints in the sand. Some more dictionary page, and this one is a different, I think it's Greek. And then just some plain notebook paper, little advertising thing that we got in the mail, piece of scrapbook paper, avocado dyed paper, card games book page. This one is Latin. There's a couple pages of Latin there. And this one was French. How to learn French. And then a little bit of tissue paper. Now I did put in more than one piece of this. Most of them are just one piece, but because these were a little on the smaller side, I put in a couple. And this is mulberry paper. Ledger paper. Another one that is food coloring dye. Little coffee dyed, just regular lined paper torn out of a book. Another dictionary page. And then a travel, it's not really travel, it was statistics from a map book. Coffee dyed paper. This one is Easter egg dye. And then a brochure, or not a brochure, an invoice from Home Hardware. These were yellow paper that I dyed with the pink food coloring. And because the customer information is not legible, that's the only reason I included this. If it had been legible, I wouldn't put it in there. And then Yeti paper from my Yeti cup that I salvaged because they were throwing it in the garbage at work. And recipe page. Another just old piece of copy paper that has natural, this was out of the recipe book, so it's just got natural spills and splatters on it, and it's very aged just from being old. And then this one is, looks like out of the map book again. I love the aging on the edges of that. And then just a piece of off-white paper, piece of glossy paper, piece of black paper, and then some magazine page with some pictures, and little calligraphy book page. So I'm just putting these kits together, and they will be in my Etsy shop this weekend. So if you want to check out and see if there's any left, I think I've got 25 kits of this particular set of papers, and I'm hoping that you guys will be interested in them and check it out on the Etsy shop, which I will be sharing in a few groups when it's the day that that's allowed. And hopefully you'll see this video and see the selection for yourself and think it's worth the money. And I would encourage you all to let me know in the comments what you think I should add or take away, or whether you think it's a good value once you have a chance to check it out. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.